I'm here with my family and my nephew's new beautiful place, beautiful house that he bought. And we're making a paella. I'm gonna show you how they make the paella. It's not a traditional seafood paella, but it's still a really good paella. It's more typical of the interior, as I'm gonna explain. But anyways, I'm here. It's beautiful here in the Alicante province in Spain. At my nephew's new house. And let me show you how we make paella. Look at that little doggy. Nice dogs. So here's my sister preparing the meats. This is rabbit and this is chicken. Just washing all the pieces that are gonna go into the paella. And again, this is a typical paella from the interior, which doesn't have any seafood. It's meat, and this is, I believe, is liver. Is it rabbit liver or chicken liver? That I don't know. It's rabbit.
Rabbit.
Oh, rabbit. And here again is my brother improvising being a cook and sauteing the red peppers until they are a little tender. Those red peppers are gonna go actually on top of the paella at the end. And who are you? Who are you, Bella? Alright, so my sister is gonna grate the tomatoes into this dish so they can be placed on top. And what is that? Some garlic. ¿Cuántos ojos de
Ajo, pues como somos bastante, por lo menos 4.
So at least 4 garlic cloves.
5.
5? Okay, 5. And this is parsley or cilantro?
Yes.
Looks like parsley. Parsley.
Perejil.
So what is your favorite paella?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Yes.
Do you like seafood paella?
No,
No? You don't like seafood?
I don't like it.
Like shrimp? All that stuff, you know? So you prefer meat on the paella, meats and vegetables?
Yes, it's better.
Well, that's the one that we are used to eating more in the interior of the province. But the most typical paella is normally the seafood paella, the one that is mostly known internationally. But a lot of people don't know that there are many varieties of paella, right?
Here is more typical the paella.
In the like mountains and yeah, meats and vegetables, yeah.
Yes.
Very.
No lo sé aquí cómo será.
Tengo que poner música.
Si lo llevo a salir me traigo las alas.
How is the red pepper coming along? It smells really good.
Este caldito lo gastamos ahora para la paella.
El aceite se gasta, claro.
Esto es para el caldito, para la paella, claro.
En el aceite. Ahora ya sofrimos la carne. La carne la vamos a sofrir en la olla. Porque siempre la sofrío en la olla.
Alright, so the oil used to fry the or saute the green peppers has been placed into this bigger pot where they're gonna use to continue, and I think they're gonna fry or saute all the meats. Alright, so now salt and what is it? It's a bit of salt, pepper, or what is this?
Pepper.
So salt and pepper. This is not pepper. What is this?
Yes.
This... Oh, black pepper. Alright.
No, pimienta negra molida.
So a little bit of salt and pepper to season the meats.
Yo le pongo un poco de pimienta porque siempre la pimienta hace que los sabores se acrecienten.
Alright, so my brother is putting little by little all the pieces of meat so that they cook little by little, not all at once because there's a lot of meat, so that way they all get. Alright, so in the meantime they are putting together the device, the burner. I guess a portable burner with propane or butane to cook the paella on top of it. Because the paella is big. This is the actual paella we're gonna cook the rice. So after the meat is done, it's placed aside. He's gonna continue making or cooking the other one and just putting them aside. The same that he did with the red peppers. After they are done cooking, they're gonna be set aside until we do all the different ingredients. He's an expert with the knife.
Hello.
So that's the oil again. That's the oil that we use to fry or to stir the peppers. There. Oh, so that's the fire. Alright, so these are the legs. This goes on top of it. There's a burner, and then the paella goes on top of it. And this is a portable paella maker, and it's with butane gas. Okay, so that's how we make a big paella. This will not fit in the regular house stove, so that's what we use in this portable burner to make the paella. I'm personally not too fan of liver, but they put it in there. I don't eat it, but I guess it gives a lot of flavor. I just don't like liver much. And of course, while cooking, you have to have a little bit of
Lo mejor de la fiesta.
the best of the party.
Bueno, pero yo, cariño, pues lo traduces tú.
Alright, so they're gonna put the garlic and the parsley into the already juicy sauce that is there from frying the meats, and the red pepper, and that gives already a smell that you can ooh, smells so good. Okay, and what about the tomato? When is the tomato going, Marisa?
No, le he quitado a tope tapa porque estaba muy fuerte.
Dale un poquito más, se haga, y cuando esté el ajo y el perejil, echas el tomate. Ya está, luego.
Alright, so the tomato went in. They didn't tell me anything, but that's okay. He went in tomato. He's gonna get ready to put all the meat now back into the pot. Alright? All the meats, right? These ones too? ¿Esa también vas a poner?
Claro.
Alright, all the meat are gonna go, and then we're gonna add some water too? Okay, how much water? To cover the meat?
Yes.
Are they gonna cover? Okay. So they're gonna put water to cover the meat. Just enough to cover the meat. Let's see.
¿Cuántos litros hay ahí? No lo sabes.
No lo sé.
Vamos a ojo como siempre.
So just enough to cover the meat.
Una marca por ahí, pero litros. Ah, vale, ya, pero no. Pero es...
That already smells so good.
Ya, pero...
That could be a chicken soup. Alright, so normally I put fresh cut vegetables. They have bought this frozen version, but that's okay. And it's green beans. I think they are pinto beans. They're really, or fava beans actually, fava beans. And they're gonna add this at some point as well. Okay. Alright, so one of the things that you can get when you are watching a video is the smells. In any cooking show or anything, you get the colors, you get the explanations, but you don't get the smells that you're getting now with this preparation. Right now everything is boiling, is all the flavors are mixing and everything, and then after this starts to boil, we're gonna transfer this to the actual paella, and then we'll put the rice and the rest of the ingredients. Do you approve?
Attention, subscribe this channel and press the button of like.
There you go, thank you. My nephew is very smart. So according to my brother, leave it about 20 minutes until it boils, and then we'll go from there. We'll show you the next step. 20 minutes.
20 minutos, 20.
20. We're speaking here multiple languages. Spanish, Catalan or Valencian, and then English, and then French, and whatnot.
20 minutos.
20 minutes.
20 minutos.
So my nephew here has a lemon tree. Wow, look all the lemons. Beautiful, beautiful lemons. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's loaded. So now we're gonna place the green peppers and the fava beans. All right, not the green peppers, the green beans and the fava beans into the mix, so they get cooked into the all the flavors. Okay, there you go. And then we're gonna let it boil for another, how long? 10-15 minutes. approximately?
Sí.
Very good.
20
Alright, so they didn't tell me because I was having a beer that they put all the things from the pot into the paella. Now they're turning it on. My brother's turning it on, and then everything is here. They're gonna boil this, bring it to a boil, and then they're gonna place the rice. They're gonna put the rice.
Ahí veis el arroz. Aquí, ¿qué pasa? Pues ya con el cartón. Que como
¿Quieres probarlo de arroz? ¿De sal?
Cogemos el cartón.
How does it taste? ¿Qué tal?
Imagínate, empieza a hervir.
Approval? Yes? No? Yes.
Un poquito de sal le falta.
Cuando empieza a hervir, sí,
A
pues.
little bit of salt. Okay, so the rice, the type of rice. Alright, so the type of rice that they use is this short grain rice, okay? Very typical here for paella. So short grain, just a little fat and short.
Te vamos a ver el arroz.
Tata, le queda nada para empezar a salir burbujas ya, ¿eh?
Sí, ¿cuánto arroz le echamos? Ven a ver.
¿Cuánto arroz le echamos, dices? Todo.
Ellos, la mamá, 12, 13. 13, ahora 14, cállate.
So they're counting the rice is 2 waters and then 1 times the rice. 5, 6.
6.
So 2 times the water, 1 times the rice.
8.
9, 9,
10.
10. That's a lot of rice.
11.
11,
12.
12, 13. Might as well put it all. 14, 15, more or less 15, 16. Alright, so here's the rice.
Sí, ya está ahí. Si sobra un poquito no pasa nada, porque como están los perros.
No creo que sobre. Bueno, hay que menearlo, ¿no?
Alright, so they're gonna position the rice, and then after the rice is all positioned, they're gonna move it a little bit so that it gets even. It's gonna be left alone. You cannot move the rice. You cannot stir the rice after you put it in. Okay, so after the thing is just plain level, you're gonna leave it like that until it's cooked about 25 minutes, approximately.
Sí, 20 minutos.
20-25 minutes. And my sister's putting some rabbit liver. I'm not particularly
Hoy vais a echar hígado, ¿eh?
too crazy about it, but they like it and they give flavor to the rice.
It's too good. It's
Vale,
too
pues
good.
entonces lo dejo así al
Good?
mínimo.
You like it? I don't like it, but that's
Que
okay.
hierva ahora.
So according to my brother, who is the expert, about 20 minutes.
Sí.
4 minutes left.
Wow. Todavía para el tiempo justo, un minuto. Y la gabarrona, que en el Burger King ahí. La mascarilla.
So at this time in the stage, they had to really be careful because the rice could potentially stick to the bottom. You can actually start to smell. So they really need to turn the the gas down, because otherwise some of the rice is gonna be sticking at the bottom, which is still also good. Some people really like the rice stuck on the bottom, but we don't want all of it. So just a few. You can kind of smell. So we already had the warnings from a couple family members to turn the heat down so that not all of it sticks. And my brother's placing the pepper, decorating the paella on top. Still turning it down a little bit more, controlling the adjusting. I think he just turned it completely off, the gas. ¿Ya está hecha?
Ahora la tapamos. Qué burbujitas, ¿sabes? Qué burbujitas. paella, ¿eh?
So the heat is completely turned off, and he's gonna cover the paella for a few minutes so with its own heat, the rice is gonna finish cooking for a few more minutes. All right, this is the finished product. Steamy. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, the paella is coming to the table. Here, my brother's bringing the paella.
Ahora tienes que grabar, Emilio. Ahora. Vale, que no salga mi voz.
¿A ti no te gusta el pescado?
Vamos ahí.
¿Así, Emilio, o más?
Así sobra.
Abuela, que se te acerca el negro. Abuela. Dura, Emilia. Claro.